Top 10 places to visit in India during July. The monsoon in July not only brings much needed relief from the searing heat and extreme humidity of the summer, but also provide a calming experience with the rumbling sound of thunder, the delightful refreshing smell of the soil, and the minute droplet of water on green vegetation. What could be more perfect than this? So if you can't think, let us do it for you. Because we have already planned it. Travel. You might wonder who traveled during the rainy season. A lot of people like you would say. Yes, every year hundreds of Indians go across the country to some of the best monsoon destinations. Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Destination. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the top 10 best tourist place to visit in India during July. So let's get started. Here is a list of 10 amazing places to visit in July and be amazed by their natural beauty. Number 1. Kerala. Kerala, called the God's own country, in July comes alive with river and lush green flora and cocoon trees swinging. During the monsoon, the backwater of Alapi, the vibrant hill station of the Munnar and the waterfall of Athirapalli are at the most beautiful. Best places to visit in Kerala: Munnar, Alapi and Periyar, etc. How to reach? Nearest airport: Trivandrum International Airport, Cochin International Airport and Calicut International Airport. Nearest train station: Trivandrum Central, Ernakulam Junction and Kozhikode, etc. Number 2. Mahabaleshwar. The gorgeous hill station of Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra is one of the best places to visit in July. Tucked away in the lap of Mother Nature, its misty weather, moderate shower and the refreshing aroma of lush green all around make it great location for a romantic getaway. The trekking to the stunning vintage point of the hill station might be a good idea if it need to be paired with some adventure. Best places to visit in Mahabaleshwar: Bina Lake, Chinaman's Fall, Lingomala Waterfall, Dhobi Ghat Waterfall, Pratapgarh Fort and many more. And now how to reach Mahabaleshwar? Nearest airport is Pune International Airport and the nearest railway station is Pune Junction. Number 3. Goa. Goa attracts crowd of tourists all year thanks to its sun-kissed beaches, vibrant nightlife, colorful marketplace and colonial era churches. The only time when visitors' footfall drop is during the monsoon, and we have discovered that this is when cheap Goa tickets go on sale. Hotels cut their prices and best of all, there are fewer people. What more would you ask for in July than gorgeous nature, walk, trek, mouth-watering cuisine and Goa's vibrant nightlife? Best places to visit in Goa: Arvalam Fall, Dudheshwar Fall, Chapora Fort and Karambolium Lake. And then now how to reach Goa? Nearest airport is Goa Airport and the nearest railway station is Madgaon Junction and Vasco da Gama Junction. Number 4. Coorg. The hill town of Coorg in Karnataka is known as the Scotland of India for its temperature, environment, tea and spices plantation and beautiful expanse of greenery. The vistas of the town become even more inspiring in July, as evidenced by the waterfall at Irupu and Cheravara. Best places to visit in Coorg: Omkareshwara Temple, Nagarhole National Park, Madikeri Fort, etc. How to reach Coorg? Nearest airport Mangalore International Airport and the nearest railway station Mysore Junction. Number 5. Ooty. Ooty, named the Queen of Hills, has enchanted visitors from all over the world throughout the year, and its charm is such that you will want to return again and again. The charm of this hill town is amplified during the monsoon when the lush green tea estates are lusher than ever. The picturesque lakes are overflowing and the waterfall are a sight to behold. Walking in the rain in Ooty with clouds moving by just over you would undoubtedly be an unforgettable experience. Best places to visit in Ooty: Avalanche Lake, Rose Garden, Botanical Garden, and Dodabeta Peak. How to reach Ooty? Nearest airport Coimbatore International Airport, and the nearest railway station is Metupalayam. Number 6. Kodaikanal. The Princess of Hill Station, Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu is a great romantic vacation, especially in July, when the monsoon season added to its loveliness by the factor of 10. The lush vegetation and the beautiful waterfalls, Silver Waterfall, Beersola Waterfall, and Ferry are the visual feast. Best places to visit in Kodaikanal: Kodaikanal Lake, Dolphin Nose, and Pillar Rock. How to reach Kodaikanal? Nearest airport is Madurai Airport, and the nearest railway station is Kodaikanal Road. Number 7. Udaipur. Udaipur is one of the most popular tourist attractions, with its stately palaces, vibrant markets, and lovely lakes and the renowned temple. The month of July is ideal for exploring the city of favorable weather, particularly the Sajjangarh Palace, formerly known as Monsoon Palace, the tranquil Lake Pichola, and the lovely Fateh Sagar Lake. This is one of the months when the city is less crowded and the hotel rates are also lower. Best places to visit in Udaipur: Lake Palace, City Palace, Maharana Pratap Memorial, and Sajjangarh Palace. Now talk about how to reach Udaipur. Nearest airport is Maharana Pratap Airport. Nearest railway station is Udaipur. Number 8. Mussoorie. Another ideal place to explore in July in the picturesque hill station of Mussoorie in the Uttarakhand, when its beautiful waterfall, Jaripani and Kempty Falls look like awesome. Their site offers a majestic view of the green forest, and the small village in it while boating on the Mussoorie Lake become a fun experience. Best places to visit in Mussoorie: Lal Tibba, Gun Hill Point, Kempty Falls, Jaripani Falls, and Company Garden. Now how to reach Mussoorie? Nearest airport is Jolly Grand Airport. Nearest railway station Dehradun. Number 9. Ladakh. In July, visit to Ladakh, also known as the Bike Paradise, is a blessing to anyone who wishes to take in the snow but cannot stand freezing. Ladakh is the best places to visit in India thanks to its beautiful lakes, mystical valleys, and eye-catching landscapes. Ladakh is also one of the best honeymoon destinations in India in July, with its snow-capped mountain and unique architectural gems. Best places to visit in Ladakh: Pangong Lake, Thiksey Monastery, Khardungla Pass, Makhra Valley, Nubra Valley, Hemis National Park, Royal Leh Palace, Shanti Stupa, Magnetic Hill, and many more. How to reach Ladakh? Nearest airport Kushok Baluka Rinpoche Airport is the nearest airport, and the nearest railway station is Jammu Tawi Railway Station. Number 10. Nainital, the city of lakes. Nainital is located in the town of Uttarakhand with stunning landscapes, stunning mountain, and of course white lakes. Actually, you will meet 7 picturesque lakes, with Nainital Lake as the heart of this lovely hill resort. According to the legend, one eye had fallen from Sati, creating the lake. Nainital also comes from Naini, meaning eye, and Tal meaning lake. Light drizzle give the forest around Nainital the chance to live a new lifestyle during the monsoon, make it the best spots in India in July. Best places to visit in Nainital: Nainital Lake, Tiffin Top, High Altitude Zoo, Eco Cave Garden, Bhimtal Lake, etc. Now let's talk about how to reach Nainital. Nearest airport is Patnagarh Airport and Delhi Airport, and nearest railway station is Kathgodam Railway Station. So whichever floats your boat, pack your luggage and prepare for a peaceful, interesting or exciting July in India. There are numerous locations to discover, enjoy and photograph. To get the greatest rate, make sure you book ahead of time. Please share your thought in the comment box below. You may also suggest other similar places in India during July that we haven't mentioned. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future video notification. Take care. Bye bye.